Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Carl from Cooking with Carl. Tonight I'm gonna make a quick and easy recipe, chicken chow mein. During this quarantine, I've been in the mood for some Asian food, and none of the Chinese restaurants are open around me, so decided to just make it on my own. So here we go. For the chicken chow mein, some of the ingredients, well, matter of fact, all of the ingredients that we're gonna need. Right here, I got some blanched and shocked broccoli, which means I put in some salted boiling water, dropped it in, let it turn green, get a little soft, took it out and shocked it by dropping it in some ice water. Here I have some mushrooms, some sliced onions, some sliced scallions, some shredded cabbage, some bean sprouts. I pre-cooked the chicken to make the dish go faster. I decided to pre-cook it, so it's gonna cook up real quick. The vegetables gonna cook really fast, and I don't, pretty much have it set up like they do in a Chinese restaurant. I do have a wok, which is right here, but don't have the BTUs like they have at a Chinese spot. So I got soy sauce, some sesame oil, some parsley flakes, some crushed red pepper flakes, some cilantro, some chopped garlic, some chopped ginger, and I have the chow mein noodles. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do, I got my wok nice and hot. Throw my sesame oil in. Now remember, this is gonna be pretty fast, so like I said, I didn't want to. I pre-cooked the chicken just for the sake of making this video. Just getting the oil all around so I can make sure that the whole pan is coated. Oh man, I almost forgot. About my Asian sauce. I'm supposed to use oyster sauce, but I'm using teriyaki. And I forgot to tell you that the chicken that I pre-cooked was marinated with a little baking soda, salt, pepper, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is my vegetables, whatever I think is going to take the longest to cook, start cooking those first. So I'm going to go in with my onions. My mushrooms. Back up. As soon as I drop the vegetables in there, the temperature drops, so turn it back up. bean sprouts. Going in with my ginger and garlic. A little bit of crushed red pepper. Some red peppers. Red bell peppers. Give it some color. I don't particularly like peppers, but I wanted to give it some color. Alright, I'm going in with my scallions. Since my chicken is already cooked, that's going to be last. I'm going in with my cilantro. It's just for flavor, not for garnish. Almost ready. Like I said, this is going to be pretty quick. If I would have had more BTUs, which is, the amount of heat I can give this wok, like they do in the Chinese restaurant. That's why you see so much flame coming up when you're in a Chinese restaurant. This will be done already. Hit it with a splash of soy sauce. Kind of letting them fall in so they don't clump together. That should be good. And I'm going in with my chicken. It's nice and mixed up. And obviously, if I didn't put the chicken in there, this could have been, vegetable chow mein or whatever. Good vegan dish. Just getting everything nice and mixed up. Teriyaki. what I'm gonna do is this bowl right here. It's a big mixing bowl. I'm gonna transfer everything to here so I can finish mixing it. Just gonna let it cook a little bit more, get nice and hot. Let the sauce get hot. Yeah, the only thing I'm not adding to this, I'm not gonna garnish it with no sesame seeds because I can eat sesame seeds on a bun, but for whatever reason I just can't. I just don't like it sprinkled over my food. That's it. Chicken Chow Mein, cooking with Carl. Like and subscribe if you want more recipes like this, more easy recipes like this. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a blessed night.